welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Montefusco and I'm a lover of all things when it comes to beauty, makeup, and fragrance. And today I'm going to be trying the brand M Cosmetics for the first time ever. Actually, that's kind of misleading. I have tried 3 of these products on my face and my lips. Actually a few days ago, but for the sake of YouTube, this is my first time ever trying the brand. I made a order on their website during their Black Friday sale, so I got 25% off of all of these products. So I ended up getting a blush, a highlighter, and 2 lip products. So if you are interested in hearing my thoughts about M Cosmetics, then please keep on watching. So as you may notice, I do not have blush, highlight, or lips on, so that is what I'm going to be applying in today's video. So first, let's start with the blush. I ended up going for a little bit of a theme here with my M Cosmetics purchases. I went for like an orangey, goldy, brownish kind of theme here. So the first product I got is this blush. This is the Heaven's Glow blush in the shade Faded Clementine. It is a baked blush, and this is what the shade looks like. I love how the orange packaging matches like the color of the blush. I think that's really cool. This blush packaging is pretty nice. It's a plastic packaging, but it is, like a little bit weighted. I like the mirror in here. It seems to be very high quality, but this blush is super, super pigmented. Definitely go in with a light hand. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to apply this blush onto my cheeks so you all can see what it looks like in real time, and I'll let you know what I think of it when I put it on my cheeks. So to apply this blush, I'm going to use this Japanesque blush brush that I got from Walmart a very long time ago. I believe this is called the 945 blush. So I'm just going to take a little bit on the brush, tap off the excess, and put it on my cheeks. Yes, this blush is extremely pigmented. A little goes a very long way, for sure. And it just provides a very nice, like orangey, but not so orangey that looks unnatural kind of glow to the cheeks. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge just to like fade that out a little bit. And this is what the blush looks like. It provides a little bit of glowiness to the cheeks, but not a ton. I would say it's more of a natural finish versus like a glowy finish or a matte finish. And this blush lasts like all day. When I wore this 2 days ago, at the end of the day, I applied this on my face at like 7:30 in the morning. It was like 6, maybe 7 p.m. at night when I decided to remove my makeup and take my shower. And the blush was still like on my cheeks, like quite significantly. So this blush does last like all day on the cheeks. Normally, I'm not the biggest powder cheek product fan. I normally prefer cream cheek products, but I really do enjoy this blush and I would definitely consider purchasing more shades. So this is the Heaven's Glow blush. I do really enjoy it. So next up, of course, is highlighter. So I'm going to go into this highlighter, which is the I can't talk. It's the Sunscape highlighter, and I got it in the shade Clarity. So again, it's that same packaging that comes with the blush, but this is what the highlighter looks like. I find that it looks really dark in the pan. Like, I believe this is the lightest shade because normally I purchase the lightest shade in highlighters. So when I saw this, I was a little bit nervous, like, oh my gosh, this looks so dark. I don't know if it's gonna work for me, but I think it looks better on the cheeks than it does on the pan, because in the pan I was like, oh my god, it's so dark. So I'm going to apply this onto my cheeks and my nose and all the normal places that I highlight, just so you can see how the product performs. And I'm going to use the Sonia Kashuk tapered highlighting brush for this product. I'm going to tap off the excess and apply on the cheeks. So this is what the highlighter looks like on my face. I normally like to use this as more of like a subtle glow because it is a tiny tad dark for me. Not nearly as dark as it looks in the pan, but it's still a tiny tad dark. So I don't want to go so dramatic that you like see a stripe, but I do think it provides a really nice glow. I do wish that they had, more shades of this that are more friendly for all different skin tones. So I feel like their shade range is very much catered towards more like medium skin tones versus, you know, extremely pale skin tones or extremely dark skin tones. So I do wish I saw that, but overall, I do think this highlight formula is really nice. As always, I'm gonna go into my setting spray, because I really like doing this, especially when I have a very much like powder focused face versus a cream focused face. So just gonna add some life and moisture back into my face. Ah, much better. So now it's time for lips, and I got 2 lip products. I'm gonna be trying both of them on for you today, but I'm only gonna end up wearing one today. So first up, I'm gonna show you the lip product that I actually wore on Thursday and really enjoyed this formula. I would definitely would like to buy more of these because these are really awesome. So this is the M Cosmetics, and this is called the Lip Cushion Tinted Lip Luminizer. I also got the shade Faded Clementines. I wanted to match the blush. So this is a very like moisturizing lipstick. You twist it up on the bottom, and it's very creamy, very moisturizing, but very pigmented and glossy as well. But it does last a while on the lips. Overall, I think this formula is extremely pleasant, and I'll try it on for you now. So it's not perfect, but that's all right. And so this is what this lip product looks like on my lips. As you can see, plenty glossy, plenty pigmented, provides moisture to the lips. I think this is a really nice lip product. I've really enjoyed it, and I would definitely consider purchasing more of these in the future. My only concern is I may go through this really quickly just because I feel like I have to twist up this bottom part a lot, like almost every single time that I apply or reapply the product. But I do think it's a really nice product, and I am really enjoying it. So I'm going to remove this, and then we're going to try the lip gloss, which I have not tried yet. So this is going to be a true first impressions on this product. All right, so the last M Cosmetics product I have to share with you today is the lip gloss. So this is called the True Gloss, and this is in the shade Caramel Glaze. They have a ton of shades of this lip gloss. So I feel like if this formula is good, there's gonna be a shade for everybody here. So this one to me just looked like a really nice neutral like brown shade. I love a good brown shade, especially for fall and winter. So I really wanna try it, see if I like the formula, all of that. So this is a true first impressions. I'm really excited to try it. So this is what the lip gloss looks like. It is very pigmented for a gloss. It is not sticky at all. It's not like super shiny and glossy, but it's just a little bit shiny and glossy. To me, I would say it's pretty similar to this formula, except like this isn't like a stick, and this is actually a bit shinier. And this one is, you know, in a wand tube kind of format, and it's a little bit less shiny. But I love the applicator. I'll actually show you what it looks like because it has like it's slanted and it has that really nice point, so you can really get into your Cupid's bow and make it really defined. This one to me smells like vanilla, so I think the scent's nice too. Of course, I'll let you know during my December product roundup how this wears and where it falls in my product ranking for the month. But overall, like first impressions of this lip product, I feel like it feels really nice. And for someone that has drier lips during the fall and the winter time, I think this is a nice way to get a good amount of color onto your lips without like accentuating lip texture or drying out your lips or like anything like that. Overall, I do think this is really nice, and it like really matches my overall makeup vibe and like my shirt and all of that today. So I think I really do like this, and I really like this overall look and how these products look together. So that is it for my M Cosmetics like little review / first impressions, and also like the little haul that I did for Black Friday on their website. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This was like one of the hauls that came in the quickest from Black Friday, but trust me, I did way too much shopping on Black Friday and the surrounding days, so there's gonna be a lot more content around products, both like makeup and fragrance, that I bought around that time. So do not worry, there's gonna be a lot more content. So anyways, if you like this video, please like this video. It helps out with YouTube algorithm, and it also helps me know what kinds of videos you like to see on my channel. If you like me, please subscribe. I post 2 to 3 times a week, and I would love to have you all here. And if you have anything to comment down below, please let me know if you have like any other product recommendations from M Cosmetics, if you have any questions about the products I've tried today, if you have any other shade recommendations, especially for these two lip products, I'd love to hear them because so far I've really been enjoying the lip products the most versus the cheek products. So with that, thank you for spending part of your day with me, and I will see you all next time. Bye!